Your holiday feast is almost complete, and of course you will like another side dish to prepare in your kitchen to round out your table. Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have a great side dish for you with roasted carrots and parsnips. So let's get started. Let's toast the pecans. Let's prepare the carrots and parsnips. Salt and pepper makes everything taste better. Set your timer for 20 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Side dishes have evolved from basic items like bread and vegetables to culturally meaningful foods reflecting traditions and taste. During ancient times, people commonly paired meat or fish with foods like bread, grains, or vegetables. Today, side dishes like mashed potatoes, coleslaw, cornbread, and other vegetables like carrots and parsnips became popular in American meals. Side dishes are also popular during holidays and food gatherings. Reset your timer for 5 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Looks great right out of the oven. Grab a side dish and arrange these roasted carrots and parsnips. Add some dried cranberries and of course those toasted pecans. Garnish with chopped parsley. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, these carrots and parsnips are seasoned perfectly and roasted to perfection. This recipe delivers delicious results every time, and your guests will absolutely love it. Please leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like your holiday table is complete. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.